Samsung Galaxy A56 5G presentation. Welcome to the detailed specification walkthrough of the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, the latest premium addition to Samsung's A series lineup. Design, aesthetics and durability. The Galaxy A56 5G sets itself apart with its sleek design. At just 7.4 mm, it's the slimmest A series yet, wrapped in a premium metal frame for a flagship-like feel. Both sides are reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, ensuring protection against scratches and drops. With an IP67 rating, it can resist dust and survive accidental water submersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Immersive display technology. On the front, you get a stunning 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED panel. The display supports a silky-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and vision booster technology, ensuring visibility even under bright sunlight. With peak brightness reaching 1900 nits and a sharp 2340 by 1080 resolution, users enjoy a vibrant and crisp visuals. Processing power and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by Samsung's new 4nm Exynos 1580 chipset, clocked at 2.9 GHz. This is paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of fast UFS 3.1 storage. Samsung has also included a 15% larger vapor cooling chamber to keep performance consistent during gaming and heavy tasks. Do note, however, that there's no expandable microSD storage. Advanced camera capabilities. The A56 features Samsung's flagship-grade nitography system. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel OIS main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide with 123-degree field of view, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The front camera is 12 megapixels. Both sides support 4K video at 30 frames per second, enhanced by Super HDR and a low-noise sensor for better low-light shots. Awesome intelligence features. Samsung has equipped this phone with what it calls awesome intelligence. This includes Circle to search with Google, Gemini Live for real-time iChats, and smart photo tools like Instant Slow-Mo, Auto Trim, Object Eraser, and Best Face, giving users more creativity and control. Battery life and charging. The A56 is backed by a robust 5000 mAh battery. It delivers up to 29 hours of video playback and 88 hours of music. With 45-watt super fast charging, you can quickly get back to full power, though the charger is sold separately. In real-world mixed usage, the phone averages about 12 hours of battery life. Connectivity and OS experience. For connectivity, the device supports 5G Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for Samsung Wallet payments. It ships with Android 15 and One UI 7.0. Impressively, Samsung promises 6 generations of OS updates and 6 years of security patches, among the best in the industry. Pricing and availability. In India, the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant in Awesome Olive has an MRP of 52,999 rupees. Currently, it's available on Amazon at 40,999 rupees during the Great Indian Festival. That's a 23% discount. Customers can also benefit from bank offers, no-cost EMI, and cashback deals. Customer insights and feedback. Based on over 350 ratings, the Galaxy A56 5G holds an average score of 4.2 out of 5. Customers particularly appreciate its premium design, brilliant AMOLED display, and versatile camera system. Battery performance receives mixed feedback, with some users reporting quicker drain than expected. Performance is generally strong, but heavy gamers may find better alternatives at this price point.